Get ready to be amazed because the Let Completely Honest Finding Perfect is officially taking over the internet. If you love cool items, stick around for a moment. If you highly value smart solutions, you already know that the design is pure genius. It is crafted specifically to make your life much smoother. What makes this so unique compared to ordinary items is that it handles heavy usage without any issues. No more wasting your hard-earned cash on things that break after 2 days. This piece is built tough, highly efficient, and super simple to operate. It is clearly worth every single penny for anyone trying to upgrade their current setup. Demand is extremely high for this right now. Make sure you don't miss this opportunity before it sells out everywhere. Get ready to be amazed